Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, another person have gone missing. And this time it's not a US citizen, it's actually a Canadian woman. And it says Nicole Vassell, 42, of Roehampton Drive, Kingston 19, and Toronto, Canada, has been missing since Monday, November 22nd. She is of brown complexion, medium build, and is about 168 centimeters. That is 5 feet 6 inches tall. Reports from the Constant Spring Police are that about 4:45 p.m. Vassell was last seen at home dressed in blue jeans and a white floral blouse. All efforts to contact her have proven futile. So this is somebody that is actually a Jamaican that lives in Canada and also has a home in Jamaica. So, anyone know the whereabouts of Nicole Vassell is being asked to contact the Constant Spring Police at 876-924-1221 and then --2, 876-924-1421, and then the extension is 2. Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. They didn't give a picture of her or how she looked or anything. They just put it out there. A lot of the times people are saying that these women get caught up. They go to Jamaica, get involved with these young men and just get caught up in things that they're not supposed to, and then some of them just go missing out of nowhere. And it's very unfortunate because she is the second person this week to go missing. And every time I talk about these topics, people are always in their feelings on my channel, but this is my platform. I talk about what I want. If you don't like it, you can leave. Anyway, comment what your thoughts are about this story. Do you think she's going to be found? Do you think she's good? Because she's the second person to have gone missing and the first person still haven't come up missing yet. And people were saying that it's probably Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. She wandered away. She find one young boy. She gonna have some fun. And although she hasn't come up missing, I don't think she would have left that long either. But comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.